Hi, this is EngineFactory.com here. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 500 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1969 Chevelle. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have the late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer. We have the custom ground comp cams, Mutha Thumpr roller cam in there, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Correct oil pan for the 69 Chevelle. Engine block painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. You have the roller rocker arms in there, all adjusted and set. 383 stroker valve covers and a matching air cleaner with a washable air filter. The air gap aluminum intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there. Thermostats installed. We have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. You have the correct standard flywheel for the customer 69 Chevelle. ARP flywheel bolts. Pilot bushings in there. Small cap distributor, real important on 69 Chevelle for firewall clearance. That's correct. We installed the manifold vacuum fittings for any vacuum hookups if needed. MSD ignition coil on there. Chrome dipstick and tube. High torque mini starter. High flow fuel pump. We put the heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps, gas filter, AN fittings, braided line at the carburetor, electric choke wire. It's real nice Raptor, black serpentine Raptor pulley kit. AC compressor on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow reverse rotation water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator with the GM Type 2 power steering pump. We supply the remote reservoir and all the power steering line kit for the customer. Make it real simple, the hookups. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the oil pressure, cold and hot, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature. We adjust the idle mixture screws, balance them out to get the best manifold vacuum. We set your idle, set the ignition timing. It's completely dialed in, ready to go. So again, this is our 383 500 horsepower stroker engine, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.